Right, let's put an SSD in a laptop. This is just a basic job, cheap one. Customer doesn't want to pay too much, so putting a Kingston in there, 480 gig. This is old Lenovo Windows 8 laptop. Right, I like to use magnets from hard drives just to put my screws on so I don't lose them. Also like Vera screwdrivers, highly recommended. Right, screws out the way. Okay, while we're here we are going to give it a clean up. Let's get the drive out. And yeah, it's an old 500 gig Seagate hard drive. Right, let's get them out of the way for a second. Yeah. Okay. Kingston can go straight on there. Well, here we go. Slide that in there. Oh, the fan is all one big piece of metal. I'm going to blast some air through that. Right, is this stuff hard or soft? Kind of in between. Got some lint-free wipes for this stuff. And a bit of isopropyl alcohol. Beautiful. Some here. I quite like these wipes. They're brand new ones. And a little bit of MX4. Perfect. Let's get it back on the cable. Yep. Don't forget to plug the fan back in. So, cables, get back in there, come on. Set. Right, we're good. We're good. Battery back in there. Come on. Good boy. Right, that's also very dirty, so I'm going to give that a blast and a brush. Right, it goes on that way. So this is a nice easy one. We're just going to put Windows 10 on it, and there's no data to be transferred. Right, Windows Home. Custom. Yep, just found a drive, which is perfect. Turn that overhead light off. Well, sorry it wasn't anything special, but I'm just practicing my video editing, getting a feel for the equipment, because I haven't done much of this before. And yeah, thanks for dropping by, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.